Hello, this is the beginning of my vlog today. I have already washed my hair and styled it because we had work to do. Okay, I have a photo shoot this evening in a couple hours, so I wanted to just knock my hair out and stuff like that. And now I am gonna have a little snack, something light, because I don't want to be like puffy in my photos. And then yeah, we will figure out what I'm wearing. My brother Jacob is putting me to work, y'all. He's got all these damn backpacks. He's getting a tote for them, and he just needs me to help carry them down. I'm gonna show you guys all of them. Y'all see all these backpacks? Do y'all see all of them? Well, glad I could be of help.
You ain't doing that.
I brought down one stack.
You just put me on your vlog. Now you gonna get hella views.
I mean,
Because of my backpack.
because of your backpacks. Maybe. Your backpacks might get a few. You might give this video pops because of Jacob's backpacks. Child, so anyways, I'm about to finally make the salmon and the broccoli that I bought yesterday because I didn't feel like it yesterday. I was tired, okay? I was listening to my body, and my body said no. The heart want what it want. First things first, I haven't took my probiotic yet, so I'm taking that. So these are the seasonings I put. I don't play about my seasoning. First thing, garlic powder. Seasonal, so it's just seasoned salt. It's like Laurie's. The citrusy garlic from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go ahead and add a touch of garlic salt too. Just a dab. Okay, and then lastly, we're just gonna add some black pepper. Do a little drizzle. We don't need too much. Toss. Well, normally I use parchment paper, but I was out of parchment paper. So we're just gonna use wax paper, which is good enough. It'll get the job done. Cool, I just popped them in for 20 minutes and then I'll check them and flip them and toss them and stuff and then pop them back in for like another 15-20 minutes. I had to clean up a little bit before we continued. I'm not gonna like make a bunch of dishes and all and wash them all at once. I kind of like to clean a little bit as I go just to make things easier. Ooh, look at it. Oh, she's nice. She's gorgeous. So for me, the hardest part is skinning it. I'm like still learning how and practicing and stuff like that. So yeah. I had watched a YouTube video maybe a couple times when I would like prepare it, and now I just kind of wing it, and it's not perfect, but it's getting better every time. Let me see. I kind of forgot which side I'm supposed to start with. I'm gonna start with this one because I think it's the side that you could easily peel. And then you just kind of go under there with the knife. I'll let y'all see. Try to get as much of the meat as you can. I like to pull it while I'm doing it. And I try to go in like a big chunk because if you seesaw too much, I feel like you will end up like messing up. Okay. And sometimes I'm okay with like if I only get one side of it. So look, I'm grabbing this boy for dear life. Oh, I messed up a little bit. That's okay though. We're practicing. I'm not a chef. I ain't a pro. Ooh, I messed up a little again. I feel like gripping it firmly though really helps. You just try to get as close as you can. Ooh, that's pretty good. I'm proud of myself. All right, I'm just gonna separate this to its own thing. We'll start with that. Okay, so now for this, the thick part, I'm gonna just go down the center. Let's see, I'm just gonna do there. And this is where you let your spirit guide you. Okay. Okay. So we have our salmon all chopped up. If I had some lime, I would put lime on it, but I don't. So I think I know how to prepare my salmon at this point to where like there really isn't a taste issue. My main seasoning is gonna be the Trader Joe's citrusy garlic because that's gonna bring that citrus in that we don't have. Use this Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna shake it a bit because things settle in it. I like my salmon bites to be a little spicy. Okay, we got it. Ooh. Yes. Okay, next seasoning is seasonal. It off, I'm gonna use some cayenne pepper to add a little more heat. Yeah. I like to just try to mix it just a little bit. I'm going to flip these and then keep cooking them a little more. I don't like mine too soft. They are now done to my liking. Like I said, I like them a little bit more on the done side, even if that means they're a little bit drier, just because I don't like them too wet, mushy, and soft. All right, the broccoli is done now to my liking. I like it a little bit crispy, especially on the edges, but not too crispy. It's time for me to eat. I'm just gonna eat a little bit of salmon, and I already ate some of my broccoli. That's why it's like none there. But this sauce that I love to eat with my salmon bites, it's from Kroger's. It's like this Creole buttermilk sauce. So it's also a little spicy. Really good with the salmon bites. So yeah, here's my little meal before my, wow, I said meal before my workout, but this is my meal before I go to my photo shoot. That's how I like it. If this is a back camera, it'll look even better. Okay, so this is my outfit that I'm wearing for the photo shoot. And I'm carrying my Everlane tote, which I'll show you guys later. But yeah, this is the outfit. I am late to the photo shoot, but that's because traffic was insane. Like, I had never seen that many people out. Like, I guess I don't travel during like rush hour, but yeah, it was so many people. But I made it. Photo shoot is going well. So just finished the photo shoot today. I was working with Men on the Move. They are a nonprofit and they make this beautiful jewelry. And I'm taking these earrings home and I'll show you guys what they look like on too later. Generally, I don't do, things for free, right? Like, my time is valuable. It's not something that I just give away, but I worked with Men on the Move probably like 3 or 4 years ago when I was first starting my content creation journey. And, they were just somebody who saw something in me and wanted me to be a part of their photo shoot. And I was still new and young, a baby creator, baby your coiliness. So when they messaged me to come back, I said yes, of course. And I love the nonprofit. I love the message. And I guess this is random, but I think I might start a nonprofit one day. You know what I mean? And with nonprofits, it takes a lot. Obviously, like, it's not, the money isn't always there. So yeah, I just love working with nonprofits. Yo, money, I need more money, need your money. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, y'all, I just realized I didn't even take a video of the ice cream before I ate it. I just digged in. Like, it's pretty much gone now. I got the peppermint patty flavor. It's non-dairy and it was delicious. Also, I'm headed home now. This is probably the end of my vlog. I don't think I'm doing anything else this rest of the night but sleeping and yeah. So bye guys, see you tomorrow.